Welcome to Unscrew English. In today's video, we'll discuss 25 advanced vocabulary words with none other than Shashi Tharoor. Now, some of you might wonder, why do I need to remember these advanced words when I can use the simple versions, when I can use the basic versions of the word? Well, learning advanced vocabulary is not about showing off. It's about using the precise word to express yourself clearly, to express what you are thinking in that moment. So if you want to express your thoughts more clearly and precisely, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Instead of saying very useful, say invaluable. Invaluable. For example, her advice was really useful. Her advice was invaluable.
There's so many invaluable artifacts that the British have taken from our country.
Instead of saying useless, say futile. Futile. His efforts were useless. His efforts were futile.
War is a futile activity.
This next vocabulary upgrade is extremely useful. Instead of saying very bad, say atrocious. Atrocious. The restaurant was very bad. The restaurant was atrocious.
The government should actually take action to ensure this is not repeated and to demand an explanation for this atrocious behavior.
Instead of saying forced, say compelled. Compelled. For example, she felt forced to speak up. She felt compelled to speak up.
When you, as a player of a chess game, are compelled to make a move, because as you know, you can't pass in chess.
Instead of saying attractive, say alluring. Alluring. She has an attractive personality. She has an alluring personality.
He graduated to cycling about town on that alluring green bicycle that you can see outside.
Instead of saying rich, say affluent. Affluent. For example, she comes from a rich family. She comes from an affluent family.
Literature or creativity are merely for the affluent and the well-off.
Instead of saying shocked, say horrified. Horrified. I was completely shocked when I heard the news. I was horrified when I heard the news.
Absolutely horrified, of course, that this has happened.
Similarly, instead of saying shocking, you can say horrifying. Horrifying. The news was shocking. The news was horrifying.
Well, I think it's absolutely horrifying what the Pakistanis have just announced.
Instead of saying funny, say amusing. Amusing. For example, her jokes are really funny. Her jokes are amusing. I am amused.
It's an amusing combination of Tharoor, thesaurus, and dinosaur.
Instead of saying surprising, you can say astonishing. Astonishing. Astonishing means something so surprising that it is hard to believe. It was surprising that she learnt English in just 2 months. It was astonishing that she learnt English in just 2 months.
What the web is doing is certainly making information accessible in quite astonishing ways.
You can also use the word astonished. Astonished. I was completely surprised. I was astonished.
So when this happened, he was so astonished that he actually called the Pakistani Prime Minister and said, "Why don't you join the investigation?"
Instead of using the word confused again and again, you can say bemused. Bemused. For example, the teacher's instructions confused me. The teacher's instructions bemused me.
Britain remains bemused by its dealing with our Prime Minister.
Instead of saying strange, say peculiar. Peculiar. For example, there was something strange about his behavior. There was something peculiar about his behavior.
I'm in a slightly peculiar position.
Instead of saying respected, say venerable. Venerable. For example, he's a highly respected teacher. He's a venerable teacher.
Standing here with 8 minutes in my hands and at this venerable and rather magnificent institution.
You can also use the word reckless instead of careless. Reckless means to be careless in a dangerous way. For example, it was careless of him to drive so fast. It was reckless of him to drive so fast.
But then there were other moments in life when I took some seemingly reckless decisions.
Instead of saying clearly, say explicitly. Explicitly. She clearly told him not to share the information. She explicitly told him not to share the information.
The railways were brought in explicitly for 2 purposes.
Instead of saying unwillingly, say grudgingly. Grudgingly. For example, he agreed to help unwillingly. He agreed to help grudgingly. हिंदी में इसका मतलब है मन मार के कोई काम करना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, उसने मन मार के ये जॉब ज्वाइन की. He grudgingly accepted the job offer.
When the British grudgingly granted very limited franchise in elections.
Instead of saying carefully, say meticulously. Meticulously. Meticulously का मतलब है कोई काम को डिटेल में करना, बहुत ज्यादा बारीकी से करना. For example, she planned the event carefully. She planned the event meticulously.
The historical record has been meticulously maintained.
Instead of saying basic, say rudimentary. Rudimentary. For example, I have a basic understanding of coding. I have a rudimentary understanding of coding.
It's very rudimentary, but I can show it. It used to be the garage of the house.
Instead of saying someone is doing really well, say thriving. Thriving. For example, she is doing really well. She is thriving.
A society which was a fairly sophisticated and thriving society.
Instead of saying mean, say malicious. Malicious. Malicious means to hurt someone intentionally. For example, that comment was mean. That comment was malicious.
Squeamish vegetarian was a malicious mistranslation by a fellow I knew.
Instead of saying important, say indispensable. Indispensable. For example, she is an important member of the team. She is an indispensable member of the team.
It's an indispensable pillar of the emerging Asian balance.
Instead of saying reduce, say alleviate. Alleviate. For example, this medicine will reduce your pain. This medicine will alleviate your pain.
His family was in dire financial straits, and to alleviate their woes, he began hawking newspapers by day.
Instead of using the word dishonest, you can use the word disingenuous. Disingenuous. For example, his answers were dishonest. His answers were disingenuous.
It actually hides under the extraordinarily disingenuous formulation that there is no consensus in the council.
Instead of saying the word guilt, say remorse. He felt a lot of guilt after lying to his friend. He felt deep remorse after lying to his friend.
Beg forgiveness or express remorse and seek or even apologize for the horrendous wrong that was done.
This brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to form sentences using these words and leave it in the comment section below. I always tell you to form sentences because that is what will help you remember and retain these words. Also try using them in your daily conversation to improve your communication. If you like the video, then don't forget to comment and share it with your friends. Keep unscrewing English with me. I'll see you next time.